Well guys, welcome back. As you can tell, we're on the John boat. Gonna do a little river fishing. See if we can catch any. Just got the boat in. I'm actually making my way back. So we're gonna run back here, throw around a buzz bait, and also got a jig tied on, spinner, a square bill, and obviously if that don't work, the Cinco wacky rig. Mint. Alright, but I'm gonna make my way back. I'll see you guys as soon as we get back there. Alright, pick up that old buzz bait. See if we can even get a bite this early morning. I do have a very good feeling about today. Oh God. Dang. If I can get this boat going right. Oh God, I had one, but he only grabbed the tail. That little stinker. Well, the buzz bait is it. Oh, got that one. On the old buzz bait. Dude, these river fish fight so good. First fish of the day, y'all. Not a bad one. Thank you. Not a bad little guy. Super dark. Love it. All right, thank you. One on topwater is what I like. Love starting off today on a good topwater bite. So that's pretty much my second fish on a buzz bait. So I never really threw the buzz bait. It really wasn't like my first pick for like a topwater. I really like throwing frogs a lot, but I'm starting to really like buzz baits. Like, really am. Like, really am. If I can get my boat going the right way, the way I need it. Oh, got one. Yeah. Another good one. Oh, that's a lot better. The hook just slid right on out. That's a better one. Look at the shoulders on that fish. Dang, I love these. Thank you, buddy. The buzzbait bite is still on. That's what I'm talking about. So, I don't know if you guys can see it, but so I threw in between this wood right here as I figured that a bass would be laid up on this wood, trying to get on some cover. So, worked out. Worked out. Fish number 2. Well, I've been on the water for like 15 minutes. Buzzbait putting in that work. That's for sure. We're gonna give this area a little try. I don't think I'm gonna go any further back on this one. And I think like after this, I'm gonna hit the main of the river. Ooh. That's a good one. Good fighter. Well, hello, bud. Fish number 3. God, I love this. Good fish. See you later, buddy. Just coming the old buzzbait. And I tell you, when a little bitty gator, like, my word. Look at him. There he is. That was pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, I missed him. God, I got distracted. Got him. Recording? Yeah. That's a good one too, dude. That's at least a 2-pounder. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That is a lot better fish. That's the kind of fish we're looking for. Buddy, you are not coming out. I want to get a weight on you though. Let's see. If I can work my hands today, just seems like I can't. Stop, 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 stop. 114. Dude, you're, golly. Oh, stop, 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 stop. Chill. Chill, Betsy, chill. All right. Thank you, sir. I threw over there at that lonely little tree stump right there, and that's popped it twice, and that's when she ate it. Thank you, thank you. Fish number 4 already on the jig. I can't resist. Surprised that big old gator didn't try to come over here too. I'm gonna have to retie, free my line a little bit. I'm gonna retie real quick, and I'll be right back.